The city that never sleeps, New York is one of the busiest metropolitans in the world. With an incredibly diverse population, the city is home to a vast array of different cultures. For any student looking for an exciting place to study, New York is the perfect destination. The city has a humid subtropical climate with temperatures rarely dropping below 14 degrees Fahrenheit and climbing above 94 degrees Fahrenheit. New York has one of the best public transport systems in the United States. Students can use Metrocards to get around the city by bus or train. Bus. The city has over 200 local bus routes, most of which are operational 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Metro. With over 400 stations, the New York metro system is incredibly well connected and is the fastest and most convenient way to travel within the city. Top universities. Welcoming over 100,000 students every year, the city is home to some of the top universities in the country. Two of the city's top-ranked universities are New York University and Columbia University, where students can pursue a range of courses like business, law, fine arts, and engineering. Living. When it comes to living in the city, students can live either on campus or off campus. They will also have different types of accommodation to choose from, like private accommodation. Students can choose to find their own private rentals in the city. Rentals can be found by the student themselves, or they can enlist the help of a broker. Purpose-built student accommodation. Different from regular rentals, PBSAs can be found either on or off campus and are specifically designed for student needs. While most rentals come unfurnished, PBSAs will be fully furnished and have a range of amenities for students to choose from. All PBSA properties will also include Wi-Fi, electricity, and hot water costs in the rent itself, so you won't have to worry about paying different bills each month. All properties even include laundry services, and most even have gyms, parking, building security, and are CCTV secured. Room options. There are also different room options for a student to choose from. Studios. A studio will include a multi-purpose living space that can be either single or dual occupancy, a bathroom and a kitchenette. En-suites. An en-suite is equipped with a private bedroom space with an attached private bathroom, and the kitchen and living space will be shared among residents. Non-en-suites. A non-en-suite is equipped with a bedroom that can be either single or dual occupancy, and the bathroom, kitchen, and living spaces will be shared among residents. Events and student hotspots. New York has one of the busiest event calendars in the world, with different celebrations lined up for every month of the year. Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Every year on Thanksgiving, there is a 3-hour parade in Manhattan that ends outside the Macy's department store in Herald Square. New York Fashion Week. Held in September and February every year, New York Fashion Week is a week-long series of events where different brands and designers showcase their collections to the press and the public. Times Square New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve, Times Square is filled with visitors from all over the globe who come to witness the famous ball drop at the stroke of midnight. The city is filled with exciting destinations for students to spend their free time, like the Museum of Modern Art, the Vessel at Hudson Yards, and Central Park. New York is also home to many famous restaurants like Ichiran Ramen, Keen's Steakhouse, Joe's Pizza, and the Corner Bistro. The Big Apple is undoubtedly one of the most captivating cities in the world, with never a dull moment. New York is the ideal destination for students looking to have an enriching and fulfilling college experience. So what's the holdup? Book via Amber and find your dream stay. Visit us at amberstudent.com. Find the link in the description below.